Welcome back. You've rehearsed your delivery, and you're feeling confident. But imagine this. You're presenting to a major client, and on your main title slide, there's a typo. A simple spelling mistake can instantly undermine your credibility and professionalism. That's why the final step before you ever show a presentation to anyone should be a thorough spelling check. It's a simple step that makes a huge difference. How to use the spelling checker. PowerPoint has a powerful, built-in tool to help you with this. 1. First, it's a good practice to start from the beginning of your presentation. So press Ctrl+Home to jump to the first slide. 2. Now, go to the Review tab on the ribbon and click the Spelling button. 3. For the pros, the keyboard shortcut is even faster. Just press the F7 key. This will open the spelling pane. PowerPoint will go through your entire presentation, including your speaker notes, and stop at every word it doesn't recognize. For each word, it gives you a few options. Suggestions. It provides a list of correctly spelled words. You can click one and then click the Change button. Ignore. If the word is correct, like a person's name or a company name, you can tell PowerPoint to ignore this one instance. Ignore all tells PowerPoint to ignore every instance of this word throughout the presentation. Add. If it's a word you use often that's not in the dictionary, you can add it to PowerPoint's custom dictionary so it never gets flagged again. You simply work your way through the presentation until PowerPoint tells you, "Spelling check complete." You're good to go.
Let's practice this essential quality check. 1. In your presentation, go to one of your slides and deliberately type a word incorrectly. For example, change management to management or professional to professional. 2. Now, press F7 to start the spelling checker. 3. When PowerPoint finds your misspelled word, select the correct suggestion from the list and click the Change button. 4. Continue until the spelling check is complete.
Excellent work. You now know how to perform one of the most critical final checks on any professional document. Always remember, take the 2 minutes to run a spelling check. It protects your credibility and shows your audience that you care about quality. Now that your presentation is polished and perfect, let's learn how to save it in different formats for sharing. I'll see you in the next lesson.